Yeah. He's so cute. Hey guys.
Okay, I'm gonna get on here, and then I'm gonna go wait for Maya at the bottom. All right, here we go, GoPro. Oh, and we're, woo-hoo! Whoa, it's splashing water. I don't like that. Woo! Don't get me wet. Ah, it's so cold to splash in water. Woo! Hey, are you having fun? Yeah? You have goggles on? You're all done? Here they go.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3!
All right, buddy, good job.
Okay guys, we're gonna take a break from all the water and we're gonna get some lunch. Are we gonna go right here?
Avalanche.
I think we're gonna go right here where it says avalanche. Get it? Avalanche, avalanche. Use wine. So we got our lunches. Maya got a chili cheese dog and chips.
And Sprite.
And a Sprite. And Alayah got the same thing with a Coke. And Bernie got a kid's meal in a sand pail.
The applesauce, turkey sandwich.
You guys should have gotten
cookie.
A kid's meal.
I'm telling you.
Wow, this is like a goldfish.
It's like a fishy sandwich.
Yeah, look. And you have a sand pail you can use for the beach. Are you excited? Do you like it? That's cool. Oh, and you got a chocolate chip cookie. Yummy. Okay guys, so this is my lunch. Some plain vanilla ice cream. Sounds good, right? Sound good? Hey guys, so we just met some fans of our YouTube channel. What's your name? What's your name? How old are you guys?
I'm 13.
Are you from here?
Yes.
We are now too. Do you have a YouTube channel? No?
You guys got anything you want to shout out? Got
Any social media?
I can do a backflip if you want to see it.
Go ahead, sure.
I'm not going to do it right
Whoa! Very impressive. Well, thank you guys for saying hi. Nice to meet you. Bye.
And you go like up there like this on that thing, and it like what's those things called? Those things that like a machine belt, like a thing at the grocery store. The thing that's on the grocery store.
Yeah, the black thing.
Yeah, the black thing where you put your groceries on. It goes like that, and it takes you all the way up to the top. Once you get into the top of the mountain, you go down in the slide.
Okay guys, so Maya's trying to explain to me, as she's seen videos on YouTube of that thing that we just showed that was like really high up over there, where there's like little UFO looking things.
They're tubes. They're big circle inner tubes.
They're tubes.
Yeah. Well,
And-
they're like not like those tubes that you put your feet through. It's like a big circle with handles, and there you can sit like a couple people in there.
So is it
Like-
scary or is it relaxing?
Well, I mean, to me, I would be scared because I don't like heights. I mean, the thing about me is I like scaring myself. I don't know why, I just like scaring myself. Like, I do not like heights, but then I love going on things, so like roller coasters and things like that. So for me, I'd enjoy it, but I'd also be scared. But for Alayah, she likes heights, so she would like it. And then,
Do you think I would like it?
yeah, do you like heights?
They don't bother me.
Oh, then you'd be fine. It would be relaxing.
I just don't like rough rides because I have a really bad neck.
Oh, I remember, this is how it happened. So we got into a car crash when I was in kindergarten, and the airbag hit my mom's neck. It was like the third week of school.
Yeah guys, a fact about us is that we were in a car accident when Maya was in kindergarten.
Because a truck hit us and we went into the pool.
Yeah, a truck hit us and we spun into a telephone pole, and my neck has been severely, what's the word? Injured.
There's another word, but I forget it.
Yeah.
And then I remember whenever we were in a giant eagle, if you guys know what that is. If you're from the south, you probably don't know what that is. If you're from the north, you probably know what that is. But giant eagle, we were there, and I remember I kicked the ball towards her neck.
Oh yeah, and then it
That's
like
when it got like,
bad again. Like it was starting to heal, and then Maya was a little kindergartner kicking a ball around the store. It was one of those big inflatable balls that are in grocery stores, and
I
she
remember
kicked
the
it right at
colors
my neck.
It was purple, yellow stripes.
Yeah, and ever since then it's been even worse. So I think it was healing, and then she just like kicked it out of place.
Yeah, and then it was getting better again, and then she went down one of those big sides. There's a place called Sandcastle where we used to live. It's like pretty much like another big water park.
Yeah, it's a water
There's like
park.
a big slide like this big, and we went on the second biggest one since I was too little to go on the big one. And she went down it, and she was like about to crack it, like her neck, like.
Yeah, so that's why I can't ride anything here, any water slides or any rides, because of my neck. But Bernie has the GoPro, and I'll be putting all the footage in from him, and then the girls in the water swimming with it. We just got a GoPro. We're super excited to edit this video and post it for you guys because of the GoPro, and this place is amazing. So
Oh yeah, guys.
where are we gonna go now?
Tan and I'm getting sunburned.
Yeah, you're getting sunburned.
Whenever we were meeting the fans, I was like this. It's actually embarrassing because I was like this. I was like.
Maya was dancing, and then we met somebody. We filmed it right before this, so you guys will see that clip too. But right now they're gonna go on Runoff Rapids, it's called. Nina's awake. Hey pretty, and Bernie is sleeping, guys. He was so tired. They're gonna go on this.
I'm not.
These slides are like, are there a few, or I'm confused? Oh, there's two.
I guess the exit to one of them.
Oh, okay. Wow, they're huge. Just you? You're gonna take the GoPro?
Who's gonna go with me?
But you're gonna be alone. No, you can only go one
She
alone.
knows that.
Yeah.
It's not like a speed slide like the other ones are. Is that what they're called, a speed slide? The other ones are speed slides, and they're super fast. I think you go like 58 to 60 miles per hour. So the girls aren't gonna do that. There's Maya over there making her Disney Blizzard Beach Musical.ly. Make sure you guys go follow her on Musical.ly. I will put it right here, and it's always in our description box. And go follow Alayah on Musical.ly as well. I'll put that right here, and hers is always also down in the description box. Okay guys, Alayah just came out of the slide, and we had no idea.
Oh, look how little.
Was Daddy right behind you?
Yep, he has to go after me.
But was he close to you in line?
Oh yeah, he's right behind me.
Oh, he was? Well, why is he not out yet?
The water slide is really long.
Which one did you come out of?
Yeah.
We missed you. Oh, there he is. He has the GoPro on his head. So we're gonna have footage from the slide and other things as well. Was it fun? Did you? Were you going side to side like that?
I was like that.
Yeah, that's what happens.
Slowly fell off and I fell through it. Like it went over me. Like it went.
You got stuck in the middle? Oh, look, the little girl got stuck in there. Okay guys, so we met another fan who watches our YouTube channel. What is your name? How old are you?
11.
Do you live here?
No.
You're on vacation? We just moved here, so we live here now. Thank you so much for saying hi. It was really nice meeting you.
There's Alayah. That means Maya's coming. So
Oh my goodness.
look at her. Oh, attitude. Look at Maya, all calm.
Is that Maya?
Came floating out.
I can't see, the sun's in my eyes. She came out of the slide gentle.
Oh, gentle.
And Alayah was like boom, 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 boom. She disappeared.
Oh, it was underwater for 45 seconds.
I know. I was like, Alayah, where'd you go? Okay, guys, so now we're entering the tunnel of the lazy river. This looks so awesome. Are you scared, Alayah? Secret hideaway. So loud in here. Are you scared? I see light. I see light. I see light. And we made it. So we're looking for another slide, guys.
Let's just go in the lazy river.
Again?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna go in the lazy river. Well, I'm gonna go with you guys. Daddy already went with you. Guys, look at these rafts.
What is it?
It's so big. I think it's what we saw up there. Is that what we saw up there?
Yeah, these are the ones that we
These
saw.
are the ones that you said
I
look like a
watched a video
UFO
on this, I
that
watched
you
a
watched
video
videos on?
Yeah. Whenever I get really bored and like no one uploads, like my subscribers, like the one I'm subscribed to doesn't upload, I just go, I look up amusement theme park videos and I watch it, and the thing.
And this was on there?
This always comes up, Hollywood Studios comes up, and that one Space Mountain thing always comes up.
Oh yeah.
That's what I always see.
Yeah, these are really big. That looks so cute for Disney. You can see them over there. I'm not sure if you're supposed to take them or not. They're really big. Are you having fun? Are you having fun, my little water baby? You've been in the water all day. Do you love it?
Let's get this one.
Nina, do you love it? Yeah. Have fun. Love you. Mwah. Good luck.
Girls ready?
Yeah, it's a family ride.
That's right.
Little babies get on there. Right here?
Can we get in?
Yep, 3 and 2.
Come on, Dad. Come on.
Go ahead.
On to exactly.
Oh, here we go. Oh, so cool. Oh, here we go. This is gigantic. How you doing, guys? You guys are on YouTube.
Oh, great.
What's your name?
Cameron.
Cameron, and your name? Nice to meet you, Cameron and Riley. We're Mya 3XO.
All right.
Mommy isn't here, obviously, but... Oh, there's Mommy.
How was it?
It was so fun. Literally, we were like this. On every turn, we would go off like this, and I would be facing the back, so I'd be going up.
Did you love it?
We met two girls named Riley and Cameron.
Cameron. Riley and Cameron.
Dude, it was like this.
They were all riding buddies.
We could ride with Bernie and Nina.
Aw, they could have went on.
That's what I'm gonna try. Yeah, that looks like a good time. We're close. We're real close.
One of the coolest rides on the float.
I think we're taking the Summit Plummet. It's getting real. Getting closer. More like getting further and further away from ground level. It's pretty frightening. And we continue to go up and up and up, 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 up. So there's a lot of talk up here about someone hitting 57 miles per hour. Or no, 60, did you say 57? 57 miles per hour. So we'll see. Although I saw a little, it looked like something like a baby just do it. So there's one. He's turning around. Can't blame him. Can't blame him. We are up here, friends. The force is with you, my friend. I get in there now? Oh my goodness, this is craziness. So I just lay down? Cross your ankle. Okay, so just cross my arms, lay back. Alright. Oh, no speed? Oh. I think it was like 100. Was it 48? I hit 48, he said. I'll take it. Yeah, that wasn't as bad as I thought. Woo! It was a good time, though, I'll tell you that. I'm not even going to say nothing. I'm just going to sneak back up and go on the slush gusher. Time for the slush gusher. Slush gusher time.
Slush gusher for a safe ride, lie flat on your back, your arms
Yeah, that was
crossed in front of you.
it's pretty awesome.
The lifeguard to give you the all
Summit Plummet is A+ ride.
Inside the slide.
That was a good time.
As soon as you reach the bottom, move to the
Oh, and just a reminder, to slide down Summit Plummet or Slush Gusher, you have to be at least 48 inches tall. If you're shorter than that, you can try out Steamboat Springs, one of the coolest rides on the float.
If so, you're not tall enough for Summit Plummet or Slush Gusher. But you can take a trip down Steamboat Springs. Trust me, it is awesome. Have a seat.
Sir.
Reach the bottom, move to the side.
Alright. Woo! Another good run. Right? I think so. Whew. I don't know why they won't let me wear this thing on my head though. I guess they're afraid I'm gonna lose it, but keep it awfully tight. I don't know, but it's still a good time. Hopefully the footage is nice. The footage. Ooh, 44. I beat that.
What are you making? Are you? You're making a castle?
Just fill it all the way up.
Fill it all the way up and then empty it out. You have to fill it all the way up. Maybe Sissy will help you.
Want me to help?
You want Sissy to help?
Here. You want me to fix it for you?
Alayah's gonna help you, okay? There we go. Now watch what she does. Look, she filled it to the top. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? There we go. Yay! Nina, do you love the sand? My little beach babies? Good job! You did it all by yourself. Give me 5. Give me 5. Good job.
You made a first
He said I made sandcastle. Good job. You did so good.
That was so funny.
Aww. She smelled the sand.
Science experiment on it.
So thank you guys so much for watching our day at Blizzard Beach in Disney World. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Comment down below if you have ever been here or if you would like to come here. And we will see you guys on our next video. Bye! Okay guys, so we just left Disney World, well, Blizzard Beach in Disney World. Did you have so much fun?
Tired.
Alayah is super exhausted, guys, but we're gonna go in here. Maya and Bernie are coming. Well, actually, they're gonna take my spot because I'm going to sit. Yeah, so they're gonna come in here with Alayah in 2 seconds and look for Squishies because you guys said they had them, and we're gonna get some frozen yogurt in here as well. So the best thing about Racetrack is what?
Swirl world.
This is why we come here, guys. We love Racetrack.
It actually might be working this time. Because last one we went to, I wanted chocolate chip cookie dough, and it didn't work last time.
They have a bunch of flavors. My favorite's the ice cream sandwich flavor.
Chipwich? It's those two mixed. Oh no.
Oh, you have sunburn.
Really bad.
Yeah.
I never get sunburned. Mississippi, my pie. It's these two mixed together.
Okay, so I'm gonna go switch places with Daddy real quick, and then you guys are going to get your frozen yogurt and look for Squishies.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are the Squishies that are at Racetrack in Tampa.
What's that?
Oh, pop.
Oh, okay. So it's a can of pop, can of soda.
Soda.
Super slow rising. Look at it. Super slow rising. Pop.
Look, we have these.
You know?
We have a dessert tree cloud.
Well, that's a magical Squishy.
Yeah.
Same brand. Just different. Like, I guess.
Yeah, they're all supposed to be in different boxes, but yeah.
So what are these? These are the desserts.
No.
The boxes.
This is, yeah, the dessert is the boxes. But these are the desserts, these are the junk foods, and then these are the magical ones.
Okay. Hot dog junk food. Hamburger junk food. Nope, I thought we had another one.
That would be the
That
open
would be my
pack.
favorite junk food. Desserts.
Mine would probably
This is
be
my
the
favorite out of
ice
the junk
cream.
food. No, I really like the burger.
Definitely my favorite out of the junk food.
I really like the burger.
I really like the ice cream on there.
Well, in
Yeah, it's
here.
not really.
Yeah, there's a count in here.
Okay, so it'll
Oh, I
probably
thought
be.
that was open.
See, does it look open?
Yeah, because this part was under there, and it was like... It was like that.
Check that out, man.
Try
arm bracelet charger.
Arm bracelet charger.
Oh, that's cool.
That's different.
But these are the squishes that I have here. So out of each thing, this is my favorite out of the junk food, my favorite out of the dessert food, and the cloud is my favorite out of the magical ones.